Okay, my name is Jamal Ahmad. I was born in Oromia. Okay, today me and my friend Kumari to challenge English language. Okay, stay with me. Kuma, can you introduce yourself, bro?
Yeah, yep. This is Kumar, come from Ethiopia. He living in France now. Okay, I want to make an introduce with my nigga. So that's all. To follow the okay.
Nigga mine.
Okay,
Siana Ganawu.
d'accord. Can I ask you a question, James?
Yes, of course. We can ask him.
Both of them, we can we speak English a little bit. I think yeah. So James, how you can learn English? So how you can get this chance to learn English? So when you learn this English?
Okay.
I think your English is very well, is good. So what do you think? What's in when you learn this English? You speak very well. Your accent also it's very nice. It's very cool. So what do you think? What do you say about this?
About this, actually, I learned it in Oromia.
About what?
About my language, English language. Actually, I learning in
About,
Oromia.
no, about this or about this?
This,
Okay.
you know, I learned it in Oromia like anyone. So my English is not very good, but I think it is half. When I was learning it, I love this subject.
Can you look in the camera?
No, I don't talk with camera. I talking with you, bro. So I have information about you. Some of my friend he will tell me you have masterate of degree of English.
No masterate degree, but it's normal. You know, this is a language.
Yeah.
The language means it's.
What do you think about your English?
No, the English is a language. You know, one language. That is the people to speak together. That's the material of the speak. So that's the material of the speak to understand it.
How to say language like the material? I think if I don't make mistake, material means like material is language is don't the material. I think language is the language of communicated person with the person. I think like this. How to say in language material? Can you tell me? This one is the same? Have no difference?
Wait. So I'm not understanding your question.
You says English is like material. Understanding? How to say the language material? Language is the language somebody will communicate with somebody, or somebody the word we use English language to communicate. You say the material. You know about material? What's material?
Yeah, the material means
Yeah.
something to use to create one thing. So that's called as material. I think if you understand when I say material.
Yeah.
And now we make to create one video. That video we create by what? By camera, you know?
Yes, by camera.
So,
by camera.
Wait a moment. So for that, that is camera. We use like material, you know.
Yes, of course.
Wait.
Camera is the material. I know.
Wait me. So you have to understand me. What I'm saying. When you understand, you have to speak. You have a lot of time.
Yes, we
Cool
have a lot of time.
Cool down, bro. So after that, when I say material, now we speak in English together.
Yeah.
when we speak in English, the English is me and me to understanding me and you. So that's I call by material. So when you speak any language, now as I tell you, I speak a lot of language, four language. I speak four language. When I speak Somali language, when I speak Oromo language, when I speak Amharic language, I keep accent. I speak accent of when I speak Somali, I speak like Somali man because I protect accent of those. So now when you speak English, I don't know. I don't understand how you speak.
I think actually you tell me about practical, about active, about action. Understand what I'm saying? But English language, I'm telling one of the important in English.
Can you look camera?
Camera. Let's go.
Yeah?
I look camera. I look you.
What do you say? Let's go.
Yes, I look camera.
What does mean? What does mean? Let's go. Let's go. But you must be you say let's go.
Yes, you say look camera.
Look,
You understand?
Look, please.
Today,
Look,
wait me. I am talking.
Yeah?
Don't you? Mudi dah nak. Ini juga. Kopiah. Ini kopiah dah. Okay, English challenges. We will continue. Stay with me, guys. I don't finish interview with Kumali, so we will continue, Kuma.
Okay, teacher. Continue. You are excellent man. When you speak English, you are good. You are my teacher.
Yes.
So you have to teach me now. Can I give to you a blackboard?
No, don't take.
You want blackboard?
No, don't worry. Don't go like blackboard. I will give you how much you will learn it English quickly.
Yeah.
I will give you subject how to learn it English quickly. Let us follow me.
What you say?
Let us follow me.
No, I'm not understand what you say now.
Because I don't know how to explain. I don't know. I am very, very hard with you, bro. I am very tired with you. I am saying, you tell me you are excellent man in English, teach me, I will give blackboard, So I says, don't go to search blackboard, I will give you.
You are a teacher in your country?
No, I am not a teacher, but when I was in my country, I am a student. But if I will finish my study, why to make like this? Which camera, bro? You are not the thief.
No, what you do?
Don't cover your face, okay?
Listen to me. What you do in your host country?
I am very excellent student.
You are farmer?
Yes. When I finish school, I'm going to digging the land because my family is.
So I say when you talk in English, you are emotion. I think like farmer.
No. Farmer is actually, bro. A farmer is the base of life, the base of your life. Don't take like this. Open your idea. Your idea is very dirty.
Now I am not speaking English good. If you speak English, if you speak Oromo, you speak with me. If you speak Amharic, good.
No, I never speak Amharic.
Because this is not my mother language. No, this is not my mother language.
Of course, this is not your mother language,
no.
But I will teach you.
I have to learn very good. Because
so I am here. If you make mistake, I will help you. Don't.
Ogutu bantu amati tu bachinsi tu bantu me farangi to korti sha tanya tu khabala furo so dio wallahi farangi to korti afan kana demo ade fana marifa akum fana
when we will come here studio
ta isu koblani akafani marifa guri እንደ አማርኛ እንዳታርገው ጉድ አታስማ
እዚህ ጋር በቃ
እንጭፍን
በአማርኛ ሲታለፍ
ማለት ነው ቶ አማርኛ እንዳውም የሀገር ቋንቋ ነው ቶ እስቲ ቀጥሎ እስቲ በእንግሊዝኛ ኦኬ አለ ኮንቲኒው
አለ
ቀጥል
Si je veux parler français, je veux ficher ici. Il faut arrêter ma fille.
Ema kante physical na mero. Afaan kufan si wali demao. Jibe maite.
Si je veux commencer français, à certaines secondes bisa. Kanafu oswan kufne.
Tu parles français quoi?
Bah oui, bien sûr. On est en France.
Mais comment vous apprendre à français?